How to present PPT in Zoom meeting. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the Zoom app and either start a new meeting or join an existing one. Then at the bottom of the Zoom window, you can clearly see share screen button available there. Simply click on the share screen. In the windows that appear, you will see a list of open apps and screen. Simply click share in the bottom right. Simply tap on the whole screen at the top. Then after sharing the screen, all you have to do is go to the desktop or go to the home screen, and here simply launch the PowerPoint presentation slide beforehand. Now what you want to show on Zoom meeting, simply launch it, simply tap on it. And once you launch it, Zoom participants can now see your slide. You can use arrow keys or mouse to navigate, and to stop sharing, click stop share at the top of the Zoom window. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.